Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the volume indicator on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView, then go to this one, indicators. Click on it, and here on the search bar, type volume. Choose this one, volume, click on it. And as you can see here, we have the volume indicator. Now, let's say, for example, you want to change the colors. So all you have to do is go to Vault, this one, and click on the gear icon, settings, as you can see. Now we have here volume, we have growing, and we have falling. So this one is for the bullish, and this one is for the bearish, okay? So let's say, for example, you want to change the bullish to yellow, like this. You can also change the opacity if you want, as you can see. We have also here the bearish. This changes, for example, to white, okay? Also, we have here the opacity, as you can see. And that's it. As you can see here, this is our volume indicator. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.